Hi guys, this is Haitian Lady in Lola's Garden. I want to go to Walmart to see if I can find a tea kettle, a rug, and dishware for my table. Let's check it out. See what they have. Like this. I can put a candle in here. Make a candle. I don't need no lamps. I don't need no pillows. I need a new tea kettle, but $38? I'm looking for some pretty dishes for my dining table. I don't see any. I don't like these. I need a new rug for my living room. Hi guys, in the car doing my haul. I did not purchase anything that I went in there for, like the rug, the tea kettle, or the dishware for my dining room. Guess what? I purchased a early Valentine gift for Lola. This pretty bear in the blanket, and I also purchased these blue Crocs here so I could work in the garden. Well guys, that's all that I have purchased for my haul, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.